benefit of this for, say, for a company that comes to you with an app idea? I know that mobile app development can take a while, especially when you're trying to test the security of that source code. You got to bring it to market, you got to sandbox it, you got to make it appealing. From a UI UX standpoint, there's so many things to take into consideration. What is the benefit of this more or less automated process for your clients and a new prospect that comes to you?
Sure. So I guess I can start with a story here where when I was a consultant working at a major firm, we were building out this brand new platform for them. And it got to a point where the DevOps team was so overburdened that developers were ready to go, ready to start making these features. But the DevOps team had so many other things that they had to focus on, putting out different fires. And it got to a point where we just weren't making good progress. And on top of that, they designed a nice architectural platform. The platform was nicely architected for their purpose, which they spent months doing. But it wasn't a unique one per se. There wasn't anything special about it. It was solid, but it wasn't special. And to architect that, to spin up the infrastructure just so that developers could get a hands-on keyboard and start doing work, took something like over 6 months and ran them over $1 million. So after experiencing that,
wow.
We thought, that there's just so much friction there, right? And so we thought, how do you reduce that friction? And so what we built this platform kind of with that in mind, right? That how do you build an enterprise-grade level product without having to spend $1 million on it? So for that client specifically, instead of spending 6 months, you spend 10 minutes, maybe a day with our platform to build that up. So that's an enterprise example.